I'd gone through this before, but this time was different. And my doctor says, you gotta have surgery.
The Lamont Bros Give Back program is launching into full swing. Bob and Betsy's remodel is the first in what we hope to be an annual project to donate a remodel to somebody in need. We wanted them to be able to share their story, and so we're gonna go out and chat with them and see the house right before our crews get ready to start the renovation.
Hi, my name is Robert Ulrich.
And I'm Betsy Ulrich. It's nice to meet you. Yeah, we moved in here in 2021. About a year later, his back was really bothering him and ended up having to have back surgery. At that point, it was mandatory retirement. And then a year later, he was having massive headaches. And then one day, he came to me and asked if there was something wrong with his left eye. We rushed him to the hospital, come to find out that he had a mass on the pituitary gland behind the eye, and he had to have emergency brain surgery.
Well, what you see right here before you is the stove and the two tables. You can see in the ceiling where it actually was. Well, the reason we started tearing it out was because it was in such bad shape, we could never get rid of the smell. We figured, okay, we're not gonna be able to have what we want right away, but at least we'll have a better situation than what it was.
Before all of this really happened, we had kind of started the remodel on the kitchen with the back and the brain situation. Medical bills kind of came into play. And so the kitchen had to go onto the back burner.
See what we did on the floor. It was better than having all subfloor to look at, right? And then you can see the electrical cord that's hanging there. It was just something that we had to do. And of course, then with the problems that we came across, everything was put on hold. Again, we are just so excited to have a whole kitchen once again.
Well, yeah. You were a truck
Well,
driver.
I was a truck driver. One day I woke up and I fell. I couldn't stand up. And I'd gone through this before, but this time was different. And my doctor says, you gotta have surgery. That was life-changing, but it is what it is. You just gotta roll with it. I recover, I'm still walking, so I can't really complain. It's part of life, but here I am. And we are thrilled and overwhelmed with excitement to see how this is going to turn out.
And we're so grateful that Lamont's picked us.
Thanks doesn't really...
thank you doesn't cover it.
It does not cover what we're going to experience and what we've already experienced.
We're gonna have another update on Bob and Betsy's kitchen remodel once we start swinging hammers, so stay tuned for that. And if you'd like any more information about Lamont's Give Back program and what we're trying to do here, please click on the link in the description.